Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking time with me today. My name is Eric Donnelly, and I'm your sales engineer from Rhino Toolhouse, located right here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm here to talk with you about workplace injury and how ergonomics plays a vital role in your business structure. I've been involved in material handling for more than 20 plus years, and today I'm excited to talk to you about our company and our partner, GCI Engineered Solutions. But before I do, just want to share a quick story with you about when I was a young man living in Nashville, Tennessee. I had my first job as a landscaper. The boss came over to me and asked me if we could go over and move some landscape rock and load it up onto a flatbed pickup truck. These rocks weigh anywhere from about 20 to about 120, 30 pounds or so. So I thought I'd take that initiative on myself. Now, mind you, the boss did say, Eric, get help if you need it. I decided I was going to show everybody that I could lift all these rocks, pick them up, and load them onto the truck myself. Needless to say, that evening, I was very, very much in pain. As a matter of fact, I had to call my boss the next morning and tell him that I could not come to work because I tried to do all this lifting by myself. He was smart enough and realized that he knew I was probably going to be very sore. He told me to come back in a few days once I had rested. But that was a very good introduction in what ergonomics can do if it's not used properly. So today I want to ask a quick question. Has anyone ever heard of the phrase workplace ergonomics? Maybe, maybe not. I remember not long ago that this phrase was not existing in our industry. But today we're seeing a lot of movement to utilize this practice. So what exactly does it mean? Simply put, workplace ergonomics is the study of improving processes that remove risk factors that lead to injury to improve performance and productivity. Did you know that every claim that is filed, the average cost to a company in America is between $40,000 and $50,000 per incident? Let's think about that for a second. How can your company be more proactive and reduce these costs? Rhino Toolhouse is a company committed to working with our customers to improve their well-being. In fact, it's our mission to identify and deliver the world's most innovative solution. But before I show you a few pictures on GCI, I want to stop for a second and share something that I've seen in the last few years. Large, well-branded companies are now mandating safety protocols for lifting in the workplace. There are now more guidelines for workplace ergonomics. Companies now are putting these into practice, and it is their number one top priority. The question is, are you doing the same? GCI Engineered Solutions is a company based in Garfield, Minnesota, just outside of Minneapolis, and is at the very forefront in developing ergonomic solutions for all industries. Both of our companies share one common goal. That is to design, develop, and deliver a total solution for your needs. Here on my screen, you will look at a few pictures to show you different solutions used in various manufacturing. While there are literally hundreds of different solutions we could show you, just understand that the Rhino Toolhouse and GCI companies can develop any solution that you may require. Imagine, or better yet, picture, what could happen if your company could, 1, reduce ergonomic injury in the workplace, 2, improve higher productivity while doing this, and 3, see an immediate ROI on this investment. You're probably going to say, Eric, when can you come visit our company to help identify these areas? And you know what? I'll be happy to come. So let's look at a few products that can help reduce your ergonomic challenges. The first tool that I want to show you is end of hook. End of hook is a large lifting range compatible with all different types of equipment. Here on the screen, you're going to see on the bottom lower right-hand corner, this device lifting up a big tractor tire. It can pick up something as large as that, or even all the way down to just a small box. we can incorporate these machines by using pneumatic air to do just that. We also have manipulator arms. These arms are used to lift well up to 1,000 pounds in capacity and reach over 20 feet in length. We also provide the center of gravity to make sure that the operator is standing in the correct position so that he or she is safe while performing this task. Also, there are lift cylinders out there in the industry that we manufacture with GCI. Now, these come in many different styles and many different sizes. But just to give you a little bit of capacity, they range around 20 to around 250 pounds of capacity. And the travel can go anywhere from 14 inches to 36 inches in travel. These are just a few things that I wanted to show you as far as what some of the instruments or tools that are used out in the industry today. You know, our team is eager to help provide solutions in any array of lifting or bending type applications. We want to provide the best ergonomic situation for your plan. I urge you to give us a call. We can show you literally hundreds of different solutions for the industry. Again, my name is Eric Donnelly. Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate everything.